Hey guys, welcome back to TR Tech. In the last video, we have seen about main method in Java. Let's go with data types in Java. So what is data type? Before going to know about what is data type, just know about how a data is stored in a system. In every electronic system, we have RAM which stores the data temporarily. So all the data will be stored in the RAM. So RAM consists of several bytes which consists of 8 bits. Each bit has two transistors. We have already known about that. The transistor stores either 0 or 1, that is high or low voltage. So in binary format, that is 1 and 0. So let's see what is data type, why it is important. So here is the definition that data types specify the different sizes and values that can be stored in the variable. That means the data type of a value, it is an attribute. It tells us what kind of data that value can have. Why data types are important? Data types are important in Java. Why? Because it is a strongly typed language. That means all the operations are type checked here by the compiler for type compatibility. So here we cannot accept the illegal operations that to be compiled. So let's see why data types are required. To know what kind of data the variable holds, we must know the data type. For example, if we take int a equal to some 20, then a is a variable and it is holding the value that is 20. That is of type integer. It is saying int is a data type here. So here are the data types in Java. In Java, there are two types of data types. One is primitive data types and another one is non-primitive data types. In primitive data types, there are integers, floating point, and character and boolean. In that, integers is divided into byte, short, int, and long. We have already known these data types. We have already seen these data types in C also, C++ also. So floating point, coming to floating point, in that we have float and double data types. Character means we use char data type. Boolean means it will say about true or false. Coming to non-primitive data types, in this we have string, arrays, list, set, stack, vector, dictionary. All user-defined classes are also non-primitive data types. So let's see with some examples. For example, if we take byte b equal to some 20, so here I am printing the value of byte. Then it gives the value as 20. In the same way, if we give int some a equal to 10, here I'm printing the value by using system.out.println. For shortcut, we use sysout control space. So here I'm printing the value of a. Let's go and run this. See here, the value 10 is printed here. Double d equal to 1.1. printing D. So go and run this. It will print 1.1. But for float, f equal to some 1.4. At the end of float, we have to put smaller. If we run this, it will give the output as 1.4. If we are not giving f here, let's see what happened. Then it will give that the error, that is unresolved compilation problem. So you must end with f. Likewise, for the long, in the same way, we have to give L at the end of long. So sys out. So it will give 20. In the same way for Boolean, VO equal to, I'm giving true here. So I'm printing this. Run the program. Then it will give true. If it is false, then it will show false here. Here for n bits, the minimum value that can be stored is -2 to the power of n minus 1, and for maximum value -2 to the power of n minus 1 minus 1. So for integers, it is byte short, int and long. For byte, it will take only 1 byte. For short, it will take 2 bytes. For integer, it will take 4 bytes. In the same way, for long, it will take 8 bytes. For floating point, it will take float for 4 bytes. For double, it will take 8 bytes. For character, 2 bytes. Boolean means yes or no type data. Here is the table of primitive data types, how many bytes it will store. So for character, it is 16 bit, that is 2 bytes. For that, minimum value is 0 and max value is 65,535. We can calculate this by min value -2 to the power of n minus 1. For max value, -2 to the power of n minus 1 minus 1. This is the table for primitive data types, minimum and maximum value along with bytes. In the next video, we'll see what is implicit typecasting and what is explicit typecasting in Java.
Please